Hello, crypto millionaires. It's Brian here. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest updates, insights, and news on all things XRP and the wider crypto space. If you're passionate about XRP or just want to stay ahead in the world of digital assets, you'll want to stick around for this episode. Today, we're diving deep into a major wave of bullish developments, surging prices, and institutional confidence that's electrifying the XRP community. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the price action that's dominating headlines right now. XRP has jumped to $222, marking a sharp 7% daily gain and sparking renewed interest from traders and investors across the globe. This surge follows an 11% rebound from the Monday low of $1.65, and analysts are now eyeing potential breakout targets in the $2.40 to $2.70 range. The technical picture is heating up. Key chartists are pointing out that XRP just completed the right shoulder of a textbook inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 1-hour time frame. If you're familiar with technical analysis, you know that pattern often signals a strong bullish continuation. And if XRP breaks above the $2.40 neckline, we could be in for a run toward $2.70 or even higher in the near future. But that's not all on the technical side. Analyst Donald recently called XRP's daily chart one of the most interesting among all altcoins right now, suggesting XRP could become one of the best performers in this current market cycle. Other technical experts, like Dark Defender, are also flagging a strong wave 5 on the horizon, which usually hints at significant momentum ahead. Beyond price and charts, the fundamentals for XRP have seriously leveled up in 2025. In January, XRP hit a new yearly high after the much-publicized legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission finally drew to a close. Ripple's decisive victory in the lawsuit, settling for only $50 million compared to the SEC's original demand of $125 million, gave the entire ecosystem the legal clarity it needed. This win wasn't just symbolic. XRP was relisted on major exchanges, institutional investors began circling, and interest from both retail and institutional traders soared. Let's focus now on the institutional side because this might be the biggest driver behind XRP's recent surge. Coinbase derivatives, Bitnomial, and even heavyweights like ProShares have all added or are launching XRP futures and futures-based products. Just a couple days ago, Coinbase officially launched CFTC-regulated XRP futures contracts, offering professional investors and institutions a compliant, capital-efficient way to gain exposure to XRP. These regulated futures significantly enhance market maturity and are a major step toward the first-ever spot XRP exchange-traded fund, or ETF, in the United States. If you remember how the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs changed the game earlier this year, you know just how impactful an XRP ETF could be. Multiple applications are now pending with the SEC. We're talking about Grayscale, Bitwise, 21 Shares, CoinShares, Franklin, Canary Capital. Major Wall Street names all in line with their own spot XRP ETF filings. The SEC's final deadline to approve or deny some of the earliest applications comes in October 2025. Betting markets are giving XRP ETF approval before year's end a strong probability, and there's growing optimism across the community that at least one fund will get a green light. This flurry of institutional activity is already showing up in market data. Last week, XRP investment products outperformed comparable Bitcoin and Ethereum offerings, despite broader market choppiness. We're also seeing a 67.5% jump in active XRP addresses just in the past several days, climbing from 27,000 to more than 40,000 daily, a sign of mounting conviction and possibly more buying on the way. Amid all this excitement, some analysts are saying the clock is ticking for XRP. The period of sideways action and price stagnation that has been frustrating holders over the past year may finally be ending. With structural resistance at $2.22 and $2.40 miles now in sight, breaking through these levels could be the catalyst for a sustained bull run. Many are watching $1.88 as a critical support level, but all eyes are locked on the upper resistance bands for confirmation of a true breakout. Added up, renewed technical momentum, surging network activity, unprecedented institutional moves, and the increasing likelihood of an XRP ETF. The stars might just be aligning for XRP to make a parabolic move that many have been waiting years to see. How is this developing story going to unfold? Can XRP deliver on the bullish projections and pull off another historic rally in 2025? Let me know your predictions and questions down in the comments. Let's get the conversation started. If you found this update helpful, remember to give us a thumbs up, share this video with other crypto enthusiasts, and subscribe to Crypto Millionaires. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another breaking XRP update. I'm Brian, and I'll see you in the next video.